Hi, I am Afia. In today's DIY, I will make a fairy tree lamp. Empty paint bucket, small stones, spray paint, glue, jute yarn, masking tape, fairy lights and a branch of tree. Step 1. Cover all the fairy light bulbs with masking tape. Step 2. Wrap the fairy lights around the branch. Use any fast drying glue if needed. Step 3. Paint the branch using spray paint. Step 4. Cover the bucket with jute yarn. Step 5. Fix the branch in the bucket and fill it with stones. Step 6. Remove tape from bulbs. The lamp is ready.